Hey guys, and welcome back to Monkey Vloggers. So, as some of you may know, I have a Disney cruise coming up, and by coming up, I mean I'm getting on this ship tomorrow, and I'm not packed. Procrastination! So, I decided I'd share with you guys what I'm gonna pack. I'm gonna be going for a 3-night cruise, just a little out of California down to Mexico and back. It'll be short, and I can already tell you, I'm packing way too much. But let's see what I would pack. So guys, first one I'm going to start off with is swimsuits. You know, looking at the weather that I'm having right now outside, I'm a little nervous, but it's gonna be okay. The ship's gonna be fine. We're gonna be able to go to the pool a lot, fingers crossed, because I'm excited. So first off, I have chosen 4 swimsuits in total. Again, I'm overpacking, I'm already telling you this, but I picked 2 2-pieces and 2 1-pieces. Just have a little variety, you know how it goes. So I have, you know, just my little Victoria's Secret solid color 2-piece. Then I have my Jasmine 2-piece, which of course, if you guys watched my thinking about packing video, you'll have seen some of these. I have the cute little Mickey 1-piece, which I'm super excited for. And one I just got off of Amazon is actually a 1-piece cheetah print. I know I showed the 2-piece off, but now I have a 1-piece, which I'm super excited for. Swimming, swimming, swimming. Hot tub, hot tub, hot tub. You know what I mean? You know what I mean. And then of course, for George, swim trunks. I have some nice colored ones. Pretty cool designs. I'm super excited. I will say I'm not packing as crazy for him as I'm packing for myself. We're gonna have an outfit change or two, I promise. It's gonna be fun. And then after our swimsuits, we have our PJs. So I actually recently picked up these really cute Halloween PJ sets, which is a long sleeve and sweats, which I'm excited for because if you guys know me, I'm always cold. I'll still wear cute stuff, but I'm always cold. Little just shorts in case I'm magically feeling warm, which I could hope for, but I'm not gonna guarantee. And then I'm crazy. I've seen a couple people's itineraries and I saw a 7 a.m. yoga class. So I'm packing yoga pants. I'm gonna try to get to this yoga class. We're gonna see how that goes. And then just gym shorts for George. Cause, you know, gym shorts. Easy. And then, of course, shorts. Got about 3 pairs. Plus what we're wearing on the ship. Some of that's in here, some of that's not. But, you know, gotta be prepared for any situation. Now, I have Disney t-shirts. Of course, know me, love Disney, going on a Disney cruise. It's gonna be awesome. And then, one of the things I'm super excited for is this cute little overcoat jacket that I made myself. I'm excited. I'm gonna wear it to our fancy brunch. It's gonna be really cute. And I made it out of thick wool, so it's gonna be very warm. I'm very excited for. And then, as you guys know me, I gotta pack dresses. I have my 2 Halloween dresses. I have an extra like tiki dress and this awesome blue cruise dress. I'm only gone for 3 nights. Dresses. I'm excited. They're formal, they're cute, and of course, because I'm wearing dresses, George has matching shirts. Tiki room shirt. Excited. This cute Hawaiian Mickey shirt. The 60th anniversary Disneyland shirt. And then he has this nice black and white Villains shirt, which he will be wearing to Palo, which slightly matches the villain skirt that I made for myself. Black and white Villains, and if you guys know me, in the center, because I got the option, is Hades. This is one of the only Hades I could put on this, but I got my Hades. Super excited. I'm gonna be honest, this dress had me working with new things I've never worked with, like tulle, but it came out super cute. Super excited to show it off for you guys. And then I made a second skirt. We got the Nightmare Before Christmas ruffle skirt that I made, which I'm super excited for. This is a very stretchy fabric, but I love it. And then of course we got extra Disney t-shirts for George. So his Hitchhiking Ghost shirt that he made for Florida. And this really cute, okay, we picked this shirt up and it glows in the dark, but it says, "Have a galactic Halloween." I'm super excited. It's so cute. I love it. Okay. And then, of course, another little cute shirt that I found at Disney. It's so cute. I love Halloween, you guys. I really love Halloween. Love it. But you know, when I'm walking down the pools, I really want to have all this extra clothing. So, I made one more thing. I made a Halloween romper, and I'm so proud of myself. I'm so excited to show it off to you guys. It's fantastic. It's really cute. I'm hoping it's gonna be warm enough to wear it, but I'll figure it out. It's my we're going to the pool attire. And because I'm crazy, and you guys saw me packing skirts and dresses, I am packing a petticoat, which, you know, we're just gonna stuff it all in there and I'm gonna make it all fit. Where the souvenirs are going, I haven't figured it out yet. But it's all gonna fit. I promise. And of course, I really plan to be wearing flip-flops and like flats and not tennis shoes. But packing socks, always pack socks. And as of right now, we still do have to wear masks indoors, so I'm packing extra masks on top of the masks we're already going to be wearing. And I was super excited. Got these really cute pair of ears. Again, just gonna, actually I'm gonna wear these on the ship, so I don't have to pack those. And then of course, you're gonna wanna pack some underwear. Even though we're only gonna be gone, we're gonna be gone for 3 nights, which means 4 days. I'm gonna pack a couple extra pairs just because if something happens, you know, always pack extras. Can never have too much underwear. I will say that. Also, because Disney does have the refill stations, we're packing reusable cups to walk around with, similar to this Halloween cup that I got right here, which of course I got from Disneyland. So that way we can have our drinks carrying around instead of carrying around the little plastic paper cups. Plastic paper cups. Now, these are all our clothes, but as you know us, we don't go anywhere without cameras and cords and cables. I guess I should go pack those. Oh boy. You know that crazy moment when you're thinking, what did I forget? Well, what did I forget, guys? Door magnets! I've made just 1 or 2 magnets to go on our door. I promise. It's just 1 or 2. So I'm really excited to show off all the magnets that we made for our door. And of course, the toiletry bag. Disney does provide H2O products on the ship, but just in case, well, not just in case, but on top of the H2O products that they provide, I always try to pack aspirin, Pepto, Dramamine, just in case, Afterbite, toothbrush, toothpaste, hand sanitizer, Kleenex. Is there anything I'm missing in that bag? Deodorant. Icy hot. You know, things you might need on a cruise ship, of course. Things like Dramamine, Pepto, deodorant you can all get on the ship. I would just prefer to pack my own, just so I have them as soon as I need them. Now what did I say? Let's go pack some cords. Let's go pack some cords. So, it is the fun time. Time to pack the camera bag. So, first off, I'm going to take our extra lens that we're packing on top of the lens that's currently on the camera right now into the bag. Woohoo! And then of course we have GoPro batteries. We have a 2 set, which will go in the GoPro 8, which we'll be walking around the ship with. Of course, plus the lovely Canon that you guys are being on right now. Canon batteries. Even though they last a while, never know when you're gonna need more batteries. Of course, the Canon will go in here, but kind of using that right now. And then, I don't know how many tripods I should take. Probably taking this guy. Maybe I'm taking... This is the nice tripod for the GoPro. It's not a tripod. This is a nice monopod for the GoPro because it's just like easy and it's lightweight, so you know. But this one's cool because it is a tripod. You know what? At this point, pack them both. Of course, key light for extra lighting. I'm actually going to be taking this big brick plus the lovely little 5 USB, 1 USB-C charger. Of course, we need the micro USBs for the battery charging, USB-C for GoPro battery charging, George's phone, the key light, yeah, watch charger, lightning bolt chargers for me, because I'd like my phone and my iPad to work too. And yeah, that's all our cables and all of our electronics pretty much. It's time to go. Okay, clothes packed, camera bag packed. I hope I'm not forgetting anything. If you guys think I forgot anything, let me know down in the comments. If you guys have any other questions, comments, concerns, again, let me know down there. I'll get back to comments as quickly as I can. Gonna have no internet for a couple days, so that's gonna be fun. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed packing with me. I know I went a little overboard. Honestly, I never pack this crazy. This is the amount of clothes I packed for a week in Florida, so who am I? I don't know. But I'm gonna make sure I get the usage of my photo pass. If you guys haven't already, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to this channel, watch our other videos because we're fun. And until next time, guys, love you all. Bye!